Who gets paid first in probate? Hi, I'm Attorney Paul Deloughery, and I'll explain the process in 7 steps based on Arizona law. So let's dive in. When dealing with an estate in probate, especially when assets are limited, it's important to know the order in which claims are paid. Now in Arizona, the applicable statute is ARS section 14-3805. And it sets forth this order. Okay, here we go. Step 1. The costs and expenses of administering the estate are covered. Now this includes fees for the personal representative. Usually the personal representative will charge hourly based on a reasonable rate, court costs, and legal fees and maybe accounting fees, okay? Meaning the probate lawyer. Step 2. Reasonable funeral expenses. Next, the estate pays for reasonable funeral expenses, and this ensures a dignified farewell for the decedent. Step 3, debts and taxes with federal preference. Now, the third priority is any debts and taxes that are given preference under federal law. This includes federal income taxes and any other federally mandated debts, whatever that might be. Step 4. Last illness expenses. Now the fourth in line are expenses from the deceased person's last illness, the hospital stay, for example. So medical, hospital bills, compensation for caregivers during that period. Okay? Then step 5, debts and taxes with state preference. The fifth priority, or the fifth step, is debts and taxes with preference under Arizona state law, for example, state income taxes. Step 6, all other claims. Now, last in line in terms of creditors are all claims, all other claims against the estate. The typical example here is credit cards, okay? So unsecured debt, for example. It's a catch-all category for any remaining debts. Step 7, lastly, people get their inheritance. Okay, so you pay people designated in the will, according to what the will says, if there was a will. If there was no will, then you have to look to state law, and the statute will always set forth who gets paid and everything. Don't assume you understand. Okay, don't assume just because you're related this way or that way that you're supposed to get this. The statute is very specific and you need to follow it. So it's important to note that no preference is given within the same class, okay, other than people getting their inheritance. There is a preference according to the state law or according to the will. But for the other things, for the creditors, there's no preference given within the same class of claims. For example, if you have 3 credit cards and you don't have enough money to pay all the 3 credit cards, well, the one that calls you more does not have priority, okay? Just because they're more annoying doesn't mean that they get paid more. So within each class, the claims have the same priority. Okay, so understanding this order is crucial for personal representatives and heirs. It guides the decision-making process and ensures legal compliance during probate. For more detailed information on probate processes and guidance, make sure to consult with a probate attorney. And if your probate is in Arizona, give us a call here at Probate Made Simple at 602-904-7943. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.